Hello guys, in this video we will see how to create or set up Ubuntu 22.04 AWS EC2 instance. Okay, first connect to AWS Management Console, then click on Services, then click on Compute. See here we have the EC2. Click on it or go to the search box and search for EC2. Or if you have recently visited services, see here we have the EC2. All three are same. So click on EC2 service, then see here instance is running 0. Okay, go to instances or click on launch instance. Both are same. Go to instances. See here we don't have any instances running. Click on launch instances, then provide the name. I am giving EB22. Name can be anything. Then select the AMI image. Okay, so select Ubuntu, then select the Ubuntu version. Okay, click on drop down, then select Ubuntu 22.04 LTS version, and it is free tier eligible. For this demo purpose, I am using free tier eligible AMI. Okay, but the installation process is same for all the options for the Ubuntu 22.04. Then select the instance type. I am selecting T3 micro, but in your case, as per the requirement, number of CPUs and memory, we have to select from this list. Based on the options, charges will be there. Okay, then key pair. See the definition. See what key pair will do. You can use a key pair to securely connect to your instance. Ensure that you have access to selected key pair before you launch the instance. Okay, see I don't have any key pairs, so click on create new key pair. So I am giving the same name like EC2 instance. Then select the key pair type and key file format. I am going to select RSN.pem. Also see here private key file format for use with OpenSSH, and this is for use with putty. Okay, so it is up to you how you want to connect. Then click on create key pair. If you click on create key pair, it will download the .pem file. Click on it. See .pem file downloaded. See it is selected. Okay, then network settings, and also see here I am creating EC2 instance in North Virginia, US East 1. Based on the region also charges will be there. Okay, I strongly recommend select the region that is near to you. Okay, so next network settings. See I don't have any information. Even if you click on network edit, see I don't have VPC or subnet in this region. Okay, so I want to create new VPC for this region. Search for VPC, right click on it, open link in new tab, close this one. Now go to new tab. See here I don't have any VPCs running, so click on create VPC. I am going with all defaults. Then just select create VPC. See VPC is created. Now go to here. Now reload this one. See we have VPC. Even subnet also reload this one. I am going to select public IP. Yeah. Then auto SN public IP. I am going to enable it. Then firewall or security groups. I am going to create new security group. I am giving UB EC2 SZ. SZ means security group, or you can use the existing one. Okay, it is up to you. Description I am not going to provide. See by default in inbound rules port number 22 is added, which is required to connect. Okay, and then external network configuration I am not going to configure. I am going with the defaults. Then configure storage. I am giving 30 gigabytes. It is up to you. You can, if you want more, you have to click on add new volume. Then you have to provide here. Okay, and this 30 GB, see here free tier eligible customers can get up to 30 GB of EBS general purpose or magnetic storage. Then come to advanced details. If you have domain, you can select domain, or if you want to create new directory, you have to click on here. And if you want IAM profile, you have to select. I don't have anything, so I am going with the defaults. DNS hostname, I am going to enable this resource IPv4 DNS requests. Then remaining options I am not going to configure anything. Okay, based on your requirement, go through each property and you can select. Then if you want to provide any user data or upload file, you have to provide here. If you want to upload file, click on choose file. Okay, this is a summary. Review these settings one more time, and if you are okay with all the settings, then see here number of instances one, software image, that is AMI, it is canonical Ubuntu 22.04. Okay, this is the virtual server type or instance type. Then security group, I am going to create new one. This is the volume. click on launch instance. See, successfully launched the instance. Then click on instance ID or go back, go to EC2, reload this one. See, here we have one instance running, one key pair is there. This security group information and others. Okay, go to instance details. See, instance state is running. If it is in pending state, wait until state to be changed to running. Then, and see here, this is the instance configuration information: status, alarms, monitoring, security, networking, storage, tags, and okay. Go to details. See here we have the AMID platform termination protection we haven't enabled. Okay, key pair assigned at launch is this is the key pair. Okay, and see here this is the public IP, this is the public DNS name, private IP DNS name, and others. Okay, and this is the VPC ID, subnet ID assigned to this EC2 instance. Connect, instance state, actions. First we will see how to connect, then we will come to instance state and actions. Click on connect, and see here we have the 4 options: EC2 instance connect, session manager, SSH client. I am going to use SSH client method. So once we selected, see it populated the command. So click on it. Now if you are on Windows, open CMD. If you are on Linux systems, open terminal. Okay, so I am on Windows, open CMD, then go to downloads where that PEM file is. CD downloads, verify dir star.pem. See, we have the PEM file. Okay, so go to, even if it is not in this downloads directory, wherever it is there, you go to that and you run this command. Okay, because this command should access to this PEM file. That's why we have to come to this downloads directory. Hit enter, type S and hit enter. See, we have successfully connected to Ubuntu machine. Now we will verify the version number. Ctrl L to clear screen. more/etc OS-release. See, we have connected to Ubuntu 22.04 LTH version. Okay, now verify IP of this machine. It will give the local IP. See, IF config is not found, but anyway, this is the IP. Okay, this is local IP, but we can get the IP of a machine by running IP addr. See, this is the IP of the machine. Okay, so install this nettools sudo apt install net-tools. Hit enter. See, we have successfully installed. Now run if config. See, we got the same IP. Okay, now the first step after connecting to AWS EC2 for Ubuntu 22.04 is we have to update the packages. Sudo apt update -- sudo apt upgrade. Hit enter, type and hit enter, select OK and hit enter, select OK and hit enter. See, now it is asking which services should be restarted. Select OK and hit enter. We have successfully updated the packages. Ctrl A, go to instance ID. If you want to connect by using EC2 instance connect, just select it and click on connect. See, we have successfully connected. Console, Ctrl A. Okay, more/etc OS-release. See, we have successfully connected. Okay, Ctrl A. Now go to instance ID and we have seen how to connect. Then next tab is instance state. See, it is started. That's why we have the options to stop, reboot and terminate. Okay, if you want to stop, you have to click on stop. This is okay, and if you want to reboot the instance, click on here. Then it will ask confirmation. Okay, then terminate instance. See, this is deleting instance. If you are not using anymore, terminate it. If you are not using permanently, you have to click on terminate instance. And if you are not using and if you want this instance later, you have to click on stop instance. Okay, then actions. See here, if you want to change the instance settings, click on instance settings. See here, we have these options. Network settings, we have these options. Security, if you want to change the security groups or modify IAM role, you have to select them. And see here, these are the other options. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to create or set up or launch AWS EC2 instance for Ubuntu 22.04. Okay, for more AWS tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.